What's up, everybody? Smarty from Holotech. Today I'm going to show you how to use my the charms as pendulums. Once you program it the way I teach you right now, you'll be able to get information straight from source. God, creator, whatever you want to call it. I call it daddy. So here it goes. Here's the pendant here. Doesn't matter which one it is, as long as it's one of these super charms. You just hold it in your hand. You say, I clear you of everything that does not serve the light. I install universal truth. And then you blow your consciousness into it. Once you do that, it's pretty much set and ready to go. Now, here's what I like to do. I like to hold it straight so that it's flat against me. Flat going forward, and you see it. So anyway, what you do is you say, show me yes. Okay, that looks like a circle motion. Thank you. Show me no. Okay, that one's going back and forth. Show me maybe. Left to right. Okay, now we're going to, I'm just going to shake it up, move it around a little bit, and I'm going to redo it to make sure I got the same readings. I like to get it straight. Okay. Show me yes. Circular again. Okay, thank you. Show me no. Back and forth. Or left to right. Now show me maybe. Front and back. You see, it's the same. Okay. Do it one more time. I clear you of anything that does not serve the light. Install universal truth. And then you blow your consciousness into it. Show me yes. Circular. Thank you. Show me no. Back and forth or side to side. Show me maybe. Okay. You just got to keep practicing until you get it like right on, that you hit it right on the nail. That's literally how you program these charms, pendulums. You could do it to your own. It doesn't have to be mine. That's just the way we do it. That's how we get confirmation. That's how we know, you know, who's lying or not. That's how we know if something is truthful. Now, we also use this to heal, to command, and to just make stuff happen. This is what everybody's using. This is only a tool. This ain't something that's going to be permanent. This is just a tool. Once you continue to use this, you start to gain confidence in yourself, and then you just keep going and keep going and keep going. Don't get discouraged if it's going slowly. You know, if it's going a little bit this way, a little bit that way. The fact that this is a heavy pendant and is moving, it should tell you something. The more you use it, the better you will get. You can ask questions like, start with asking questions that you know the answer to. For instance, I would tell people, ask, all right, how old are you? You would ask a different age. And when you get the results that it's telling you, no, you're not that age, then you ask your real age, and then you should get a yes for your real age, because you're obviously not the age you made up. So that's a good way to test it. Ask questions that you know the answers to, and then ask questions that you don't know the answers to. That'll help you improve your pendulum using skills. It's that simple.